Okay, good morning. Hey guys, it's me Pearly, the one and only. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Right now, I'm running late. It's 5:40. Ang call time ko talaga ay 7 before 7. Pero, obviously, I expect myself to arrive at 6:30. Let's go. If you watched my last vlog, alam niyo na sinisipon ako. So, I have my Jessic. And I'm gonna wear a face mask to school. You dumb loser! Yan guys. Ayan. Bukas na ba yung buzz niya? Bukas na ba yung buzz niya? Bukas na ba yung buzz mo?
Wala ko nun.
Wala ka nun? Ay nako, Cheska.
Yan si Kano.
Ayan yung stage namin. Diba? Ang galing. Yes. May paganyan pa yung school. Pupunta yun. This portion is brought to you by Light Water. Banner. Hindi ako nakaganyan na ulit ako. Diba?
Kaya nga. Kaya sabi ko, fish for you. Kaya nakita tayo dyan.
Oh, OG hairstyle.
Basis na yun, di ba?
Follow block! Go!
Hoy, hinahanap!
1, 2, 3. Grabe. Saan mo kami? Magka-career ladder kami.
Hope you don't have to.
Huwag na!
Ano yung
Karin na!
karir?
Oo.
Meron dun sa Pilipinas.
Oo.
Kailangan siya.
Siguro, oo. Oo pala, oo pala.
Pag walang ganito.
Uy, ano, video ko pa ba to?
Dito na.
Kanina pa talaga.
Uy, yung tayo meron.
Tingnan mo, dapat 2 minutes. May mga
Hindi, yung timer ka lang mamaya kasi mag-video.
tayo sa technical.
Pa-powder tayo. Kapagod na ako. Ay, ang ganda ng araw.
Ang ida-document ko lang yung sayo. Like, may picture ako.
Oo, ganun-ganun lang.
Ito na yung pagkakasunod-sunod dyan.
Hindi, dear.
Pagkakasunod-sunod pa lang.
Mauuna ang ano. Alam ko mauuna ang yung 6. Alam ko huli ang yung 1 eh.
Kasi JC ba yun?
Ay, ano si Kimi?
Sir, may tinapin.
Oh, ayan, yun lang bumaba.
Alam niyo na kung sino si Baby.
Itong table na to, okay na natin to.
Yes, sir. Tapos ayun na yung sa birth. Si baby girl talaga eh.
Sinong baby girl?
Si Kimi. Guys.
Si Lady po.
Ay, mainit pa.
Yung suggest dyan, yung as early as 9 a.m. Di ba 9 a.m. is speech ko? Ay, wala pa. Simula pa lang yung
9 a.m. yung start ng event.
Walang winner daw sa champion sa panitikan poster.
Oh, ayun daw. Wala daw. First, second, third lang daw. If your dude comes close to me. Video kami. This is us before Caravan. Oh, maya magsabog na kami na.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. For today's video, ako po si Bert. Pipicturean ko po ang English Club today.
Ayoko na makopyright. Ayoko na makopyright. Pero may background music to. May mga kanta siya. Na upbeat. Ayoko na makopyright. Pa-picture tayo. Hi! Atina! Pa-picture tayo. Best friend natin. Ang cute mo naman. Hindi mo yung hindi na. Kapag tumawa to. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect! 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 Sobrang tamis! Pag di niyo ako mahanap, nasa Baguio lang ako.
In our English caravan, let us celebrate not just the
Basta
languages,
dumating kami dito, nandiyan
but
na
the
yan.
connections it makes us
Videohan mo kami!
May this event
Sasayaw kami,
inspire us
go!
to keep learning,
Sasayaw
keep exploring, and keep bridging cultures. One conversation at a
Baka
time.
manggulo ka lang doon.
Thank you, and we will all have a meaningful and inspiring English caravan 2025-2026.
Huwag naman ngayon! Sayang sa ano!
Thank you so much, Ma'am Dubi, for the motivational message for all of us. And to loosen up our morning, we encourage everyone to partner with an English club officers and the Zumba performances. Without further ado, play the music!
Ooh, yeah, ay. Don't think about it. Ayoko makopyright. Kaya kinakanta ko na lang ito. Just to realize it. Na hey, hey. Had to do the pugar. Oh, oh, no, you're the really loud. No, yung makopyright. Sana huwag ako makopyright. You're the dirty kind of moves. Hey, I don't know what you, but I feel dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Do this together. But you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah. Da 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 put it da da. What you put a cara? I'm the put a da. Put a good. The food you do, and the food you do, and the food you do, until you do, and the food you do, and the food you do. We can do it, sing oh, fire, for the rain and getting louder. Do that, you got the moves, hey. I don't know what you better when I'm dancing. Sorry guys, paiba-iba yung yung ano ni genre, yeah. Medyo nakakahilo, pero ano yan. Gusto ko to i-post kasi, i-post dito sa YouTube ng buo kasi hindi ko naman siya i-post sa kahit saan. So, baka malimutan ko na nag-perform ako, diba? Tapos meron pa isang performance kami during the production period ng character portrayal. Pero kasi, si Owen na inutusan ko na mag-video, hindi vinidyohan. Vinidyohan niya yung sarili niya, pero yung kami sumasayaw, hindi niya vinidyohan. O diba, ang galing ni Owen. Kaya wala akong record, proof na sumayaw talaga kami nun. So, kapag namatay ako, or kapag nagka-amnesia ako, hindi ko talaga maaalala na sumayaw ako ng production ng character portrayal. Kasi hindi vinidyohan ni Owen. Diba? Ay nako. Pero meron naman ako kaming mga pictures. Siguro i-upload ko na lang dito. Or hindi. Pag tinamad ako, hindi na lang. Pero kung i-upload ko, edi wow. Pero yun. Nagkwento na ako, diba? Ito yung sila. Na 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 na. Imagine nyo na lang boses ni Meghan Trainor, ha? Ayoko na kasi makopyright talaga.
Criteria and final judges for today.
lang yung mga poste. At nilipat doon. Ayan, napapagod na ako kaya bala na sila dyan. Ayan, yung mga area stickers, banner, and Sasha. Uwi na ako! Eating baon. Tapos na si Van kumain. Eating my baon. Corn beef. Sabi yung mga van, oh. Tingnan nyo, dikit-dikit, oh.
Uy, nainis ako sa mga
Mag-hello pala muna kayo sa, English Caravan Dump. State your full name, your age, your section. Dali. Tapos ano yung thoughts mo dito? Oh! Ano, go.
Sabihin ko ulit, sabihin ko.
Kausap
pa. I'm Mr. Gling Stacchio. And as well, 21 years old.
Andyan sa boxes. Ano yung thoughts mo sa araw na to? Umulit pa talaga siya.
Siguro magulo.
Ikaw, state your full name, your age, your section.
Ano?
Thoughts mo.
Juan Carlos.
Ha?
Ba't kausap? Baka makita yung tigyawat ko.
Ano position mo sa alias Wika?
Ano ba posisyon na sa Gaswika? Di namin alam eh. Salikit-kit lang kami dun eh.
Okay, sa kit-kit. Ano masasabi mo?
Wala.
Wala ko kayo sabi.
Ano?
Iba? Talaga? Iba't ibang version ng Scrabble pala.
Kasi iba yung Scrabble dyan.
Yuan, pang ilan ka last year? Yuan, pang ilan ka nung January? Pang ilan ka nung January? First ka na?
Hindi ngayon.
Bakla.
Lahat?
Tahimik na lang. Yan, guys.
Ano yun? Triple, double?
Dito ka naman talaga naka-assign, di ba? Hindi. Just chat ako, di. Just chat ako. Tignan mo. Dito ba? Dito. Dito pala ako. Di, all around niya yung katawan ko. So guys, nag-i-intermission yung mga teachers. Kumusta? So magsastart na yung, character portrayal ng 1 hour late. Kasi, yung mga pumunta sa SCA, ang tagal nilang bumalis. Kaya yung mga fan.
Which global organization uses English as one of its main official language? Again, which global organizations?
May I request to help them?
Ayan guys, pictures na lang kasi hindi talaga kami pinidyohan ni Owen. Hay nako. Yung mga contestant video kami hindi. Ayan, kanina nakikipicture pa ako. Ayun yung mga winners. Ngayon, ayoko na na. Nakakapagod.
Maintenance personnel and everyone present here today. Good afternoon. I compose these closing remarks after a long day of preparing for this year's English Caravan. Might I say, these past few weeks have been very long for us English Club and English Department. If there's one thing I learned through the process of getting this caravan together, that is the value of effective communication, not just academically or formally, but communicating on a different level, with depth and understanding. I'll no longer dig deeper, but let me take this moment to thank everyone who helped me make this event possible. Ma'am Juna, Ma'am Sol, Sir Prince, and of course Sir Lance, thank you for allowing us to conduct this event. To our collaborators, Batang Emergency Response Team, led by Andre John Menegrito and Sir Rory. And to the Lantad na Yaman ng Samahang Wika, or alias Wika Club, led by Jasmine Rianordan, thank you for you and your team's efforts. And of course, kakalimutan ko pa ba ang mga cutie pie na ito? Sam, Van, Christine, Angela, Cheska, Jen, Athena, Cheryl, Ella, Sasha, Cassandra, at ang paborito nating lahat, na si Kimi. From the bottom of my heart,
Paborito
thank
mo
you
lang
for
eh,
your
hindi kami.
patience and perseverance. I may not be the perfect president, but you guys are perfect enough for me. Kahit medyo magulo kayo kausap, okay lang. To our advisor, Sir Jay, to our former advisor, Ma'am Reg, to Ma'am Gundit, and to the rest of the English department, thank you for your guidance and support. May this caravan serve as a reminder that English is not just a language used to entertain or to communicate, but a tool to make our world brighter, to build bridges, and to connect cultures and borders together. Once again, thank you, and may God bless us all. Yeah.
Ma'am Gina, thank you po. Alright, bye-bye. Simula pa nyo ako una.
Pinamit nila pang picture.
Power bank?
Ay, Nicole.
Nakay Nicole? Hindi na ako! Bye, Nick! Oh, no! Pinakita ang layo mo! So nice! Thank you so much! Congrats!
Salamat sa magkaroon.
Jack, thank you so much! Thank you, Dave! Gagi, hindi ko na masalamatan na tayo sa'yo kasi hindi ko alam pangalan niya. Ay, met no one like you before. I'm Tapos na sa wakas ang English caravan. Dude! Hi, Mom! Hello! Ay! Oh! Ay! Ba! Aww! Hi, guys! Mag-hi kayo. Hi! Okay, hi, peace. Hi!
Yun. Uy, wag naman sa mukha.
Oh my God! Andre!
Did you know, fun fact, pagod na po kami lahat.
Yes! Dave John and Andre John.
Sa mga nanonood po sa page ng AOPC English Club, congratulations po sa mga nanalo sa event kanina. And Lalo-lalo na po sa Spelling Scrabble kay Johan Tapang. Shout out po sa iyo guys. Shout out po sa iyo. Yung medal po, may bayad po yun. Pwede niyo po yung bayaran sa OSA or sa PUSA. Pwede rin sa akin.
Okay.
Wala yung Barbie arm sa likod at saka J.U. Yard. Wala yung Barbie arm sa likod.
What? Ganyan ba mga teacher dito? Ganyan ba?
Lord, I thank you for giving
Nakila yung aso. Nakila yung aso. Wala na.
Naglalakad na ako pa uwi. Oh my gosh, guys. Thank you, Lord. At natapos na. Thank you, Lord, for a very successful event. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Grabe. Grabe. Iba itong nararamdaman ko. Grabe to. This is joy. Sobrang thankful ako kay Lord dahil natapos na rin to. Natuloy sa wakas. Thank you, Lord.
Lala! Tita Tel! Hi! Abuela! Tita Tel! Tapos na!
Now that it's over, I feel like I can breathe now. Ay, lalay. So, I changed my glasses. My glasses broke. Alam mo, Lola, nasira sa lamin ko. This lens, it fell down on its own. I didn't break it. It just fell on its own. Mas pagod pa ata itong salamin na to kaysa sa akin. Ito naman, sira na talaga siya. Ilang beses na naman siya pinatingin. Itong screw down na to, sira na talaga siya. Kahit palitan, wala na daw. Kasi warak na daw talaga siya. Anyways, by the end of the day, I had this low-key deep talk sesh with Sir Luis, one of the English department teachers. I've seen him around the campus multiple times and we usually have small interactions. He calls me Pet Chai, which is weird because my last name is Pichai. And he just makes it a joke that he calls me Pet Chai all the time, which I don't mind because it's him and I understand. He just wants to make this inside joke with me and I just play along with it. Earlier, he asked me if I was crying because I was scratching my eyes. I said, no sir, it's just, there's just something in my eye. And then he told me that I can't remember specifically how the technicalities happened or how our conversation went about, but I just remember it being about everything will be overwhelming at some point in my grade 12 year this year, especially in the 4th quarter, because the research project and the work immersion will literally collide. And then he told me that we have a right as students to ask for extensions and considerations, especially because we have a lot of subjects that we have to comply to. And he made me feel validated as a student because hearing something so true from a teacher is so rewarding and enlightening. He also told me to look at realistic parts of life, and if I will choose teaching as a career path, I should understand that it's more of passion than salary or wealth. He told me a lot of things, but sadly, due to time constraints and external factors, our conversation was cut short. But it was a short but meaningful conversation with Sir Luis, and it's cool. Anyways, I'm just going to fix my bag for tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday and I still have face-to-face classes. So I'll fix my bag so I don't have to do it tomorrow morning. That is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you liked it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And remember, pag may tiyaga, may nilaga.